Hey everybody, it's Cynthia Maynard, and today I have a what did I get, just with the new year crunching a little bit, but I did go ahead and get some Stamperia to see if I wanted to keep it in. Actually, you got two brands, Stamperia and one called Mintay, or Mintay, M-I-N-T-A-Y, by Carola. And these are both newer to me. Stamperia I've known of, but it's a bit elusive, harder to get. And I went ahead and just got a little sampling here from, let's see, prices. So these are packs. These are 12 by 12 packs. This is the New Forest one. And then I have the Alice one that's older, but I haven't been able to get that one. But these come in 10 double-faced sheets, and anyway, we'll take a look at that. Let's look at the Alice first, since I've got that open. Give it a good smell. It smells good. And anyway, you can also use the cover here. It's double-sided. And then we'll just do a flip through here. So this is, let's see if I can zoom out a bit. Messy craft room. So this has some of the poetry in here. One thing about if you can get the original Alice in Wonderland copies, the original text layout, there's a lot of the sort of winding and things like that. But here's Alice, here's bits of sort of paper and cracks and things. Very pretty. Again, that heart on the back. The white rabbit with some quotes. Some playing cards. Some cut-aparts here, toppers, and they are double-sided. So I use them, say, in a journal. As journaling cards, you can do that, or you can use it as toppers. Beautiful floral print here with some text at the bottom there. Diamond print. More cut-aparts. We've got tags, sort of book plates, bits and pieces here. Very pretty, very nice quality paper. And then those are double-sided on the other side. You can see that. Right? It's always tea time. You could frame that. That's pretty. And then on the other side of that is this polka dot. Lots of teapots and things, which I love. I'm a tea drinker. And then on the other side of that, journaling cards and what have you. Another tea page. So they're all different. The clubs. More book text. I love Alice in Wonderland. I love the book. And cards. And then they have the card backs. And then that's the back page that you can use. So that's the Alice. Sorry, it's a little big to fit in my screen here. This is the New Forest one here. I've not yet seen this up close. Alright, so lots of animals. Foxes, birds, squirrels, deer, fish. It's got cut-aparts here, looks like Italian, and then some English as well, and then some little cut-apart bugs and things, hedgehogs. This will go well with my craft consortium that I carry in the shop. Here's the backing to those. Nice big sheet. Backing, eagles. There, cut-aparts, raspberry bushes and designs, all sorts of things, mathematical drawings here. That's pretty. They come fall. That'd be great to use. So very foresty if you love nature and botanicals, which I do. This is a great one. Sorry, my tripod is hitting the thing there. So fish, more mathematical things, acorns and leaves. You can see that, very pretty aqua color or blue, and then more tags, and then those are double-sided on the back, so you have something there, but mostly on the front. Nice page there with some nice naturals on the back, and then some cut-apart animals and things you could use. So that's that. So, and then the 8x8 I won't open all of them. Let's see, yeah, 8x8. I got this Imagine. This is a newer one. So it's called Imagine. It's kind of has a lovely montage of things, bits of lace, faces. Love all these things. Create art, text, dream. Very pretty there. Lovely. Ooh, that's really pretty. Florals and just bits and bobs of things that's like collaged on there. Tags, long tags, and cut aparts with some washi and things. I like doing that in my own paper art. And then those are back, double-sided. And then this sort of collaged piece here. Super pretty. Slide that back and forth so you can see that. Got a journal. That's really pretty. Look at that. There, this collaged lady here. Nice lacy neutral page there. Lots of like dresses and paper pieced things there. Torn away bits there. Music notes. All sorts. Very, very pretty. Not the cheapest paper in the world, but it's really well made and it's beautiful. And I, for one, know how long it takes to make a paper to design digitally. It takes hours by the time you're done with when it's all said and done, ready for print. So little tags. So I like to support others as well. You can use the back even. And then the new other brand that I am really not familiar with at all is this Mintay. I got two things. I'm trying to do this without destroying my whole thing here. But this is a book. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this or not because I'm not the best fussy cutter. But it's meant for fussy cutting. If you can see that. You can cut all those apart, or you could use it like this if you wanted to. And then it's double-sided, so once you cut it, you have a nice backed edge there. So I'm curious to try that out. I wonder if I can run that through my brother. Scan and cut. There's my Silhouette, one of the two, but very pretty. So that's like a book 6x8 pad there. This is a 6x6 pad here. I'm going to quickly pop that through. It's got some cut aparts behind the back cover here. Let me turn that around for you. Doors and lanterns and rocking horses and all sorts there. Alright, so these are all double-sided and you get, let's see, you get 24 double-sided printed sheets. So 4 of each 12 designs plus 2 bonus on the inside covers. So basically they're counting that as a bonus. Alright, so there's one of those with the rocking horse. Crackly bit there. That beautiful door. That would make a lovely centerpiece. You don't have to do much to a card at all on that. Ooh, tickets and stubs and things. Bird cages. Very, very pretty. And this floral, it's like a mustard and like a little bit of a blue teal. Panels, love that. Gates, I love architecture. Another type of floral with sort of the browns and blues. And it's got all these, it could be paper or you can cut these apart, these little squares of, not urn, but you know, pots and things, luggage and travel. And on the, ooh, that's really pretty on the back of there. Got these framed bits. I would be more inclined to use that side. And then it repeats. So lovely. I just wanted to show that to you. And in my own store, I have some new items, so go ahead and check that out at CLM Emporium at Etsy. And if you like and subscribe, that would help me out a lot. Thanks, guys. I hope you have a great day.